Hi everyone, hope you guys are doing great. Today I'm going to make ice cream cake with bits of your favorite biscuits, nuts, caramel chunks. You can use leftover cake or brownies or whatever is your family's favorite sweet. It's simple, delicious, and you cannot go wrong with that. So let's get started with our no-bake ice cream cake. For this recipe, what I have here is 2 liters of soft scoop vanilla ice cream. It is just very easy to work with, especially for this cake. 250 grams of milk chocolate biscuits, break them into small pieces. 3 tablespoons of Smarties, 3 tablespoons of caramel chunks, few more cookies, half a cup of pecans, nuts, cashews. I have roasted them in the oven for 10 to 15 minutes. They go so well with ice cream. I'm using mixer to mix everything. You can use anything you have. I have mixed all the ingredients together and our ice cream cake batter is absolutely ready. And next thing, I'm taking a square shape dish here. You can use any pan or baking dish you have. And then I have lined it with a wrapping sheet or cling film. It should cover the entire inside of the dish. To make it a little bit more stronger, I have doubled the layer of this wrapping sheet. Next, I'll put this batter into the dish and even out its top with spatula and cover it with baking sheet. Now it's ready to go in the fridge for 4 to 6 hours or for overnight. So guys, it is the next day and our cake has been sitting in the fridge for overnight. It won't come out as it is. What you can do is you can leave it outside for a few minutes or you can run some water on the bottom. That's what I'm going to do. So guys, our ice cream cake is out of the dish and now I'm going to decorate it with some vanilla whipped cream. You can totally skip this if you don't want to because this cake itself is so delicious. Our no-bake ice cream cake is ready. I have decorated it with Smarties and candles on the top and I really enjoyed making it. Do try it and thanks so much for watching.